Hi, today we're going to look at an example of how DEMM Ltd can take some static content, so for example a Word or PDF document, and turn it into an interactive flipbook that can be placed on a website or intranet, published as a standalone exe file for CD delivery, or as a .zip for emailing. The flipbook also has Google Analytics embedded and has the ability to be shared across numerous social networks. So let's go right ahead and take a look at how this was achieved. A full working version can be found on our website www.DEMMLtd.co.uk. Okay, we've taken a standard PDF, we've had a PDF sent to us, and what we want to do is just improve it. So we're going to add a movie into this page in that little square there. We're going to add a voiceover to this section of the piece. On the next page we're going to leave that just to give us a little bit of a break up from it. On here we'll add some music. I'm a tutor, get me out of here. And finally on the last page we'll just embed another movie into the piece. Okay, as you can see the PDF has now been converted into a flipbook. Let's just have a look at some of the features that have been added. To begin, it's called New Directions, and we've added an animated ship and a compass just to reflect that. We want to look at some of the other functionality that the flipbook can give you. One of them is to zoom in to a particular piece and zoom out. You can search for particular items. So if we type in here Jeff, it comes up with a search, tells you on what pages you can find the word Jeff, so on page 1 and on page 7. You can also have the option to view thumbnails of each of the pages. You can choose to print it all out if you want to, or just certain particular pages in the piece. You get the opportunity to share on different social networks. By clicking more you get an awful lot more, probably 100 or so. You can choose to have the music muted if we add music. You'll also get the opportunity to add bookmarks, and we'll look at that in a little while. So let's look at the way we've changed it. So you can navigate through flipping the page or using the navigation bars over here. We'll start just by flipping the page over. You'll see on the first page, as we said, we've added a movie. Just to jazz it up, we've embedded a movie into this piece. We can flip to the next page and we've added a sound over into here. Now if we wanted to, we could add a bookmark to this page, and we simply click on the bookmark and we'll call it What's Cooking. We can choose this food, and we'll just select a colour for the bookmark and click OK, and you'll see over here we've actually bookmarked that page. On the next page we've left that purposely blank. We haven't embedded any items into that. On this page we've added some sound, some music, and finally on the last page we added another movie. Okay, flicking on the bookmark that we inserted earlier takes us straight back to the page that we've actually bookmarked. You can get rid of your bookmarks by closing them, and that's it. That's what we did with a PDF converted into a flipbook. To see a full working version of the flipbook in action, nip across to www.DEMMLtd.co.uk, and if you or your company is interested in developing static content and making it interactive, please get in touch.